Hi, this is Mark from Rublon. I'm going to show you how you can protect Dell iDRAC logins with convenient Rublon multi-factor authentication using mobile push. In this user-friendly authentication method, Rublon sends a push notification to your phone. A single tap is all you need to approve or deny a login request. The push notification includes information like application name, username, IP address, location, date and time, which helps ensure that the authentication request comes from you. I log into Dell iDRAC by entering my username and password. Now Rublon sends a push notification to my phone. I review the information on the push notification and tap Approve. And I'm logged into iDRAC. Rublon supports a variety of other authentication methods, including FIDO security keys, phone call and SMS, email, as well as TOTP passcodes. Enable secure access to networks, servers, endpoints, and applications using modern MFA. Go to Rublon.com and start a free trial of Rublon multi-factor authentication.